Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Bingy, you know you're saying kidnap Natasha baby. Lord God, the poor girl over here, the mad. Then kidnap her child.
Really? You sure not she give him way? Them girl don't have time to sit down with Pitney.
Bingy, a serious thing we are talking now. This are not some joke. Some cruel, thieving, disgusting people broke in a woman's house and take her baby. Me send some food over there and she go out the door for Kaleki. And when she come back, the girl no see her baby. The baby gone. I mean, know you don't like her. But boy, you can show some compassion. You think it's easy for you to carry your baby for 9 months. And go in the hospital, go push out the baby and feel all that pain. For somebody come to your yard, come take away your baby, and your baby not even get to spend one night with you. No man, Bingy, have some mercy upon the girl.
Me not sorry for her. Maybe the best thing happened to the baby, probably with a richer and nicer family.
Bingy, me not really like how that sound. It seems like you know something. It seems like you know how to take a girl baby. Bingy, if you know something, Bingy, say it, please. Guy girl over there, she a go through a lot. I mean, know you're in the street and you will hear information, you will hear things in the street. So, Bingy, if you know, please, just tell me. You don't have to tell her. Tell me and me. We go to the police and try find out who take the girl baby.
Susie, please leave me alone. Me can't even feed my own them. What me I go do with the next one?
So what's your name, ma'am?
Oh, my name is Jane, sir.
So where are you from, Jane? And how do you know my baby mother?
I'm from Clarendon. It's a lady when me work a long time tell me about the work and link me up with Susie.
So do you enjoy doing this type of work? I know it can be tiring, especially at night.
Well, me used to it. At first it did hard, but now it's good. I enjoy doing it. So like when you live a foreign, you can file for the baby?
Don't tell Susie, but I'm planning to marry her and file for her and my son.
Oh, that's nice. You know, so you can have to do a DNA on the baby like him born out of wedlock.
I know. But when Susie and I get married, we can have it done. If the baby didn't come early, I'd have married Susie before he was born.
Well, it don't look like a preemie still. Your baby mother did really eat round the clock because he looked fully 9 months. But you know, you don't have to wait until you're married to Susie to do the DNA test. You can do it right now, so when you're ready for file, everything done.
Hey, that's a good idea. Do you know where I can get it done here in Jamaica?
How I go on here, so? And why she a jump as she see me come in? And why you so close to Romaine? My girl, I work, you come here for work, a baby sitting, you come here for do. So hope, I know my man, you there look.
No, baby. Jane was just telling me that.
I was just telling him the baby big and healthy for a preemie.
Jane? Huh? So you the first name basis already? But this no look safe. Look like say me have to go find one old man to babysit my baby because them a young girl and them bright, them very bright and they not afraid for y'all going like they want to take your man in front of your face. She's a babysitter, sir. No, Lorraine, please. No Jane here.
Susie, I know you're just joking.
Joking? You see any laughing upon my face? Me serious like a judge. Them ya girl in Jamaica, them thief the salt out of the sea. You think them easy? But girl, me will chop you in your ass. Yeah, me have to go. Me have to run. Me have to go check up on something. So just me soon come back from here, yeah?
Susie, aren't you supposed to be on 3 months maternity leave? Why are you keep running in and out? Shouldn't you be getting some rest after all the trauma your body went through?
Me I go rest, man. Me know me need for rest. But you remember my two best friend? It was them when they pregnant. The one when named Natasha. Something very very bad happened to her. Something very bad happened to her. And I feel help her out. Me have to help her out because she over there and she over there in a depression.
Yeah, what happened?
Babes, me gonna talk to you about it, but me have to go talk to you in a privacy. Me can't discuss them things around the babysitter. So when me come back, me and you talk about it.
Hello? So you are the killer friend?
Yes, my name is Susie. So killer, I discuss everything with you already. So how much for your birth paper?
Well, it's $1 million the normal price. But like how are you a killer friend, I will take $800,000.
Well, only a $500,000 me have. $500,000 me have, and that me I work with.
I'm sorry, but that won't do. I am already taking off a big discount.
Doctor, with all due respect, me kind of rate what you do, but remember, a easy money you get just to write a piece of paper. So I know I will leave a man out a road I charge less. Me can get them a less and get this thing done. So we need to act like so we hungry on nobody else. Cause me feel like so even the 500,000 are too much. Doctor, I'm tell you something. I am from the street, and the street full of people like But the reason why me I come to you is because me and Killer a friend now. We just stick to the code.
Alright. I will take the 500,000. So tell me about it, baby.
Doctor, I think the less you know, it better for you. Anyway, so the information you me want on the birth paper, just everything on this that me want on. You don't have to know nothing else more than the information you on the paper.
Okay. Pick it up tomorrow around 5 p.m. Me take half payment now and the next half on delivery.
Hey Natasha, what's up?
So Keisha, you know hear what happened to me and my baby?
No. What happened? How you sound so distressed?
Them take with my baby. Him not even get to sleep one night in him crib.
What? Stop run joke, girl. Me too tired for laugh.
Keisha, and a joke me I make. My baby gone. Me just bring him into the world for them kidnap him, so?
You feel so Bingy have nothing to do with it?
What Bingy would have kidnapped my baby for?
Because him no want Susie know about the baby. So him will do anything to protect him relationship with Susie. Worse like how him not working and him live at Susie yard.
You really think Bingy would have do that? Jesus Christ. Me believe that him worse him never want the baby in him name.
They keep me eye wide open. Think him can't come for my baby?
Keisha, you just put something in my head. I go follow up this. Bingy really kidnapped my baby?
Boy, Bingy, me know it look like me not no time for you. Me not do me womanly duty at home, but nobody feel no way, man. Me just try help Natasha. Me I go come give a proper meal and give some loving and come take care of me pitney them. But just see with me. Me know me see I ain't done head and me know say yeah, say me fuck up, but me understand me had to go through. Hey, Bingy, what do you? Bingy, talk to me. Bingy, what you about? Bingy, what? Bingy. On a serious note, Bingy, what is it? Why your face looks so white here down under your eye?
Some pussy kill my brother.
Bumbo clot. Then kill John. Somebody really killed John.
I know John, me swear upon my children them. When me find out the pussy hole them entire family and them friend and them dog are go dead.
Yeah, confuse me. How dead? Which other brother you talk about? That I mean know that a brother there.
The fucker them kill me twin brother Peter.